My top priorities as the Senior Service Engineer for Answers.Microsoft.com are site availability, performance, usability, and customer experience, with the site uptime being the #1 priority at all times. The old servers were running Windows Server 2008 R2, and the platform was running on SQL Server 2008 R2. In this project, we were looking to upgrade to Windows Server 2012 R2 and SQL Server 2014. Some of the challenges we needed to address were the migration from a physical architecture with clustered servers to a 100% virtualized platform that did not support any clustering whatsoever. In the physical server architecture with the SQL Server 2008, we had replication, which had lots and lots of problems over the years. And we were moving into the SQL 2014 with always-on availability groups. This was great in eliminating one problem, but introduced a whole new one. Because at this point, we were suddenly faced with the fact that SQL Server 2014, while it has all the read nodes we would need for the globally distributed architecture, it did not allow for the load balancing across all these read servers. We kept running into the same dead ends, where we had to take a look at things like single points of failure for direct connections and bypass the AG, or re-architect the platform itself on the application layer to handle the problem. I was introduced to ScaleArc through my infrastructure team, and a lot of the work and research that they had been doing with other teams across Microsoft, namely the Xbox team. We engaged with the internal teams as well as the ScaleArc teams to figure out from the development phase what we needed to do, got it into testing, ran through performance, did a number of performance runs, and then now we've gone into production, and it's working famously. It provided a level of uptime during patching and maintenance cycles for our ultimate goal, which is zero downtime, that we had never had before. In a word, I would have to say ScaleArc has delivered flawlessly. They have met every requirement that we've laid before them. The support structure is there for 24/7 support. To date, the performance has been just tremendous. We know that our zero downtime patching and maintenance is going to be considerably better than it was before, because we can actually fail stuff over seamlessly inside of ScaleArc, whereas even with clustered servers, there was always still that blip that we can avoid now.